Greetings, valued customers. Today, we are thrilled to introduce you to a game-changing technology that will redefine the way you think about network splicing. Get ready to witness the future with our state-of-the-art splicing machine. Splicing, a critical process in the world of fiber optics, is about to reach new heights. Let's delve into the remarkable features that make our splicing machine the pinnacle of precision and efficiency. Our splicing machine boasts cutting-edge technology designed to elevate your splicing experience. From high-resolution imaging systems to advanced alignment algorithms, every component is meticulously crafted to ensure unparalleled precision. Time is of the essence in today's fast-paced world. With our splicing machine, say goodbye to long splicing durations. Experience lightning-fast splicing that not only saves time, but also enhances overall efficiency. Complexity should never stand in the way of productivity. Our splicing machine features an intuitive, user-friendly interface, making it easy for both seasoned technicians and newcomers to achieve optimal splicing results with minimal training. Built to withstand the rigors of the field, our splicing machine is both durable and portable. Whether you're working in a controlled environment or facing challenging conditions, our machine is your reliable companion. In conclusion, our splicing machine is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for progress in the world of fiber optics. Elevate your connectivity, streamline your operations, and achieve unmatched precision with our cutting-edge splicing machine. Thank you for joining us on this journey of innovation. For more information or to witness the power of our splicing machine firsthand, contact our team today. Experience the future of splicing, it's time for a new era.